If I gave you $80,000 tomorrow to grow your law firm, what would you do? Would you hire a marketing person, hire an agency, or just use AI and do it yourself? It's actually one of the most common questions that we get from attorneys. And honestly, it's a good question, because a lot of law firms assume the choice is agency versus employee. But in my experience, that's usually the wrong comparison. The real question is, what problem are you trying to solve? Because depending upon your situation, hiring an employee, using an agency, or doing it yourself can all be the right answer. One of the biggest mistakes I see is firms jumping straight into a solution before they understand the problem. For example, maybe you don't need more marketing knowledge, maybe you need more time. Or maybe you don't need more time, maybe you just need more expertise. So those are very different problems, and they require different solutions. So let's talk about what those are. Let's start with doing it yourself. There's never been a better time in history to do your own marketing. You can build content, create videos, use AI tools, post on LinkedIn, send email newsletters, and for firms that are just getting started, that's often exactly what I recommend. The challenge is that most attorneys are already busy practicing law. Marketing becomes next week, next month, someday down the road, and eventually consistency disappears. And so do the leads and potential clients. Then there's the AI question, and this one comes up all the time now. People ask us, can't AI just do all of this for me? And the answer is sort of. AI can help write content, generate ideas, repurpose information, and save a tremendous amount of time. But AI is a tool. It's not a marketing department. It still needs direction, strategy, oversight, and someone making decisions. Now let's talk about hiring somebody in-house. This absolutely can work, and there are real advantages. They learn your firm, your clients, your voice, your culture, and for some firms, that's valuable. But here's the challenge. Most marketing today involves multiple specialties. SEO, Google Ads, YouTube, LinkedIn, email marketing, websites, analytics, automation, AI. It's very difficult to find one person who's truly great at all those things. Usually what you end up hiring is a generalist. Someone may be good at a few things, but probably isn't an expert across the board. And then there's the cost. Let's say you hire somebody at, $60,000 a year. Now you've got to add payroll taxes, benefits, software, training, and management time. And suddenly, you're much closer to $90,000 per year. For one person, it suddenly does not seem like the cost savings you thought you would get. Now let's compare that to an agency. A good agency gives you access to multiple specialists. For example, SEO, paid advertising, content creation,
video, websites, analytics, automation.
All that, instead of hiring one person, you're effectively getting a team. In many cases, the cost is actually lower than hiring a full-time employee. Now, are all agencies great? Absolutely not. Some agencies are vendors, others are advisors. You want the advisor, the agency that helps you understand what they're doing, why they're doing it, and what's actually working. So, how do you know which option is right for your firm? I think it comes down to identifying your biggest limiter. If your limiter is, say, knowledge, you need expertise. Time, you need execution. Consistency, you need systems. Once you understand the real problem, the right solution becomes much clearer. For many law firms, the answer isn't completely in-house or completely outsourced. It's usually some combination of the two. And the goal isn't to hire an employee or hire an agency. The goal is to build a marketing system that consistently brings in new opportunities. If this was helpful, make sure you subscribe, because we continue to answer the questions law firm owners ask us every day. And if you're trying to figure out what the right marketing structure looks like for your firm, I'd be happy to talk it through. And there's a link in the description below. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next video.